Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can get the Great Rod of Oscar. As you can see, I already have it already. So it's just a quick tutorial. You're going to talk to this person first, or else it's not going to show up. Then you're going to go to the Great Reef, the Grand Reef, the Great Reef, I'm not sure. I forgot. It's close to here, so don't worry. I'm just very bad at navigating boats and just steering them. Oh my gosh. Please, please, let me out of this island. It's just annoying. It's just annoying. I don't know how else to say it. You're going to get out of this island and you're going to head on to the left and not crash like me. Okay. I think it's to the side, or is it there? Oh, the Grand Reef. Okay, it's there. You're going to go to the Grand Reef, and you are going to go to the main island, which is this one. And then you're going to grab the, I forgot, it was like the gauntlet necklace thing. Do I have it? I forgot what it's called. Oh, amulet. Okay. Grab the amulet and you're going to talk to the guy again in Forsaken Shores. Once you're done, honestly, the only way to know is from Forsaken Shores, so I have to go back. Oh my gosh, can I drive properly? I'm fed up at this point. Hey, what's that? Okay, never mind. Should have just used my GPS. Be much easier to find where everything is. Forsaken Shores. Let me just head back there. So I can kind of show you guys where you need to go. Okay. You're going to head to, which rock was it? You're going to go to the right, kind of. And you're going to go from, was it this rock or this rock? I don't remember. And you're just going to head straight there. And you'll see kind of like in the middle of the northern, there should be like a rock in the middle of the way. And you're just going to basically dive down there. It's going to be like a really tall rock. I actually don't remember where it spawns at. It should be like somewhere around here, where you're just going to dive when you see a really tall rock, and you're just going to use your amulet to open that way. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.